We want to share another build with you guys, and I first and foremost want to thank all of our subscribers. We started this channel about 5 months ago, and we've accumulated about 380 subscribers at this point. So we want to thank you first and foremost for that. So Josh Pope came into our shop, I believe 3 weeks ago, and he wanted us to build him a custom box for his hat. Josh came with us with a very unique theme. He was stationed all over the country. He was born and raised in North Carolina. He was stationed out in Hawaii, and he met his wife also in North Carolina. So there's a lot of meaning behind this box that we made for him. Everybody had to come together for this project. It was, like I said, a time crunch, but the whole team came together. Sean with the laser engraving. We had Rick in the back doing most of the carpentry work and actually creating the box itself. And Sean and I also worked very hard on the top of this box, which is very unique. So we want to share this with you. So let's show it.